Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Ginger and Lemon, a perfect combination for weight loss. Ginger is a root that is known around the world because of all its beneficial properties for health, especially as an anti-inflammatory and for its properties for treating gastric problems and helping the digestive system. This root is used as a slimmed down formula since its properties encourage weight loss. Not only does it improve digestion, it also has a thermogenic effect which helps activate metabolism, which makes it a powerful fat burner and calorie burner. On the other hand, lemon is another of the most powerful remedies that promotes health in different ways. It is also considered a natural agent that promotes weight loss. Its vitamin C content makes it an antioxidant that is very effective at removing waste from the body, preventing water retention, helps detoxify the body, and contributes to a reduction of belly bloat. How is it possible to lose weight with ginger and lemon? Keeping in mind that both ingredients have properties that promote fat loss and the elimination of waste in the body, these two ingredients together are considered a powerful formula for slimming down that can help as part of your weight loss diet. Perhaps you have never imagined that you could prepare these ingredients together and with a single goal, but now you will know more about the versatility of lemon and ginger for different recipes. You can also lose weight naturally and get good results with these recipes. Ginger and lemon tea. One way to harness the best properties of both these ingredients is by making a simple tea in a few steps. It has a flavor that you will love. How do you make it? Heat a cup of water until it just begins to boil. Add a small slice of ginger roots and let it steep for 5 minutes, covered. Afterwards, just add the juice from 1 lemon and drink your tea. It's best to drink this before a meal or first thing in the morning. Ginger lemonade. This delicious lemonade combines the classic recipe we all know with the power of ginger. This makes it healthier and allows for greater weight loss. How do you make it? Prepare the lemonade as you normally would, but don't use refined sugar to sweeten it. Then add a tablespoon of grated ginger, and if you want, you can also add a few leaves of finely chopped mint. This will enhance the detoxifying effect. Drink as soon as it's ready, preferably before breakfast. Ginger and lemon salad dressing. This is a great way to combine the benefits of these two ingredients, and there's no need to prepare a batch of this dressing in advance. How do you make it? Take a handful of grated ginger and add the juice from 1 lemon. Use this as a dressing for your favorite salad and enjoy. Other benefits of ginger and lemon. As I informed before, ginger and lemon are full of properties that promote health in different ways, including weight loss. Keeping in mind the recipes I shared with you today, you can obtain more benefits when they are consumed together. They purify blood. Ginger and lemon promote the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. These two allies are perfect to naturally cleanse the blood along with other things. This is good for circulation and fights bad cholesterol. They stimulate good digestion. This combination is perfect for fighting digestive problems such as indigestion, slow bowels, and water retention. But it's important to note that if you suffer from gastritis, it's best to avoid these two products. They are also good for skin health. A mixture of ginger and lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They help keep skin looking healthy, young, and hydrated. They strengthen the immune system. Lemon, as well as ginger, has a high concentration of compounds that strengthen the immune system. Thanks to this, they help to prevent respiratory problems, colds, losing your voice, or aphonia, infections, and other health conditions. Keep in mind, if you want to lose weight, taking advantage of ginger and lemon as your two best friends, you also need to follow a healthy diet, free of junk food, sodas, flour, fat, sodium, and other things. You also need to do some physical activity and drink at least 2 liters of water a day. If you follow this lifestyle, soon you will notice that you are not carrying around those extra pounds anymore. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.